Assalamu alaikum, it's me Sumayya here and from Industrial and Manufacturing Engineering of NED University. I am here to introduce a smart blind stick. Smart blind stick is use sensor and ultrasonic technology to detect obstacles and provide real-time feedback to the user through vibrations and the sound. The smart blind sticks help blind people navigate. It uses sensor to detect obstacle and warn the user with beeps and vibration. This special sticks make walking easier and safer. The main components of the smart blind stick is Arduino, jumper wire, LED, DC batteries, buzzers, ultrasonic sensor. And here I am going to describe all of this in detail. Number one is the number one is Arduino. This one is Arduino, which is blue in color, and Arduino is basically a tool which is used for smart interactive project. It's like a microcontroller boards like computer which can connect sensors and actuator. USB cable which is used for uploading the code on Arduino, and the other is the jumper wires. Which one is this one is the jumper wires which is used to connect the circuits. In short, the jumper wires are handy tools which is used for testing and shooting electronic circuit. Then other one is the ultrasonic sensor. This is ultrasonic sensor. Ultrasonic sensor is basically the sound wave measure distance and detect. Ultrasonic sensor is basically the high frequency sensor which is used to detect the object and measure the distance. In ultrasonic sensor, there are two terms used for this purpose. The number one is trigger, which one this, and the other one is echo. Trigger is used as for output, the send purpose, and the echo are used for the receiving purpose as input. And the other one is the buzzer, which was this is buzzer. Buzzer is the simple audio component that convert the electrical energy into sound waves used for alerting the users. DC batteries are used there, which can use for reliable source of energy, Then come to the connection of this. The number one I choose for this for describing the ultrasonic sensor. The ultrasonic sensor pin the voltage which we supply is 5 volt. So the ultrasonic sensor Gantt ultrasonic sensor, the VCC, the voltage supply is attached with the Arduino 5 volt, and the pin to Gantt, G and D Gantt, this one is Gantt and VCC voltage supply, voltage are attached with 5 volt, and the Gantts are attached with the Gantts of Arduino. And the pin 3, the trigger which is used as output is attached with the digital pin 9. This digital pin 9. And the echo are attached, which are used as a receiving, and the input are attached with the pin 10. This pin 10. Pin 10. here I am not using LED light, but I code them in Arduino. Then come to the buzzer this one, and the buzzer positive terminal are attached with Ar- Arduino, and the negative terminal are attached with GANs. Then terminal connection, the Arduino GANs are connected with Arduino GANs G and D GANs are attached with GANs of Arduino. Sensor GANs are connected with Arduino GANs, while the terminal to the sensor terminal to the GANs are attached with Arduino GANs. Okay, then come to the coding. For coding, number one, the coding, the trigger pins are used for, as I previously mentioned, that the trigger pins are used as an output signal and the echo pins are used as an input signal, and duration is used for measuring the times, and the distance are used for measuring the distance in centimeter and inches. Then start for setup, the initialized communication is 9600, and set the trigger pins as an output, and set the echo pins as an input signal, and set the pin 6 and pin 5 for buzzers and LED for output. Okay, then come and set the trigger pins low, high and mediums, and measure the time. Then come to the main. Here I am coding like that.